Hi everybody, welcome to Unique You, initiative by RCJVPD. She builds legacies that inspires and uplifts. A fearless change maker, she breaks barriers and empowers those all around her, turning ideas into impacts. My Kid reflects her love and creativity, while SRG flourishes under her leadership, setting new benchmarks in innovation. Guess who is she? Our host, who is going to be co-hosting this vibrant initiative. Guess karo? None other than Raksha Pokharna. Let's welcome her. Welcome, Raksha.
Hello, Simran. Oh, thank you so much, Simran. You have been so generous to describe me. So, here I would definitely reciprocate the vibrations with our host. My co-host, Simran is a burst of vibrant energy, a fun-loving foodie who finds joy in social connections and laughter-filled gatherings. So whether it's savoring global cuisines or whipping up magic in her own kitchen, food is her love language. An engineer by degree but digital storyteller by destiny. For her success isn't just about a strategy and innovation. It's about integrity, honesty, and making a meaningful impact, because in Simran's world, the truest virtue is authenticity and the brightest glow comes from within. And here we welcome Simran Kalbani.
Thank you,
the
Raksha.
host.
Happy to be co-hosting this beautiful panel with you.
Oh, I'm so blessed to have you in my team. We welcome another two beauties, Nirzari Doshi and Vishakha Banka.
So welcome Vishakha and Nirzari to our beautiful panel here. Vishakha is a counseling psychotherapist, confident and believes in making mental health more approachable and stigma-free. Acceptance of all situations is the key to her life. Mother of two teenagers, loves to read and travel and talk, of course. She's full of positive aura and happiness around her. So welcome on board, Vishakha.
Beautiful combination of psychologist and businesswoman who is leading from the front along with her husband. She is none other than Nirzari Doshi, a proud mother of two who inspires her journey as a working mother, a valued part of the Doshi family. She plays an active role in her husband's diamond export business. With a heart full of positivity, she embraces life's opportunities with grace and determination. An avid traveler, passionate reader, and a music lover, she finds joy in exploring new horizons, both in the world and in the pages of book. Her life mantra: give chance to everyone, hold hands and walk together. And she is a sweetheart neighbor of me. So that's so beautiful having you two beautiful ladies out here.
What a beautiful mantra, Nirzari, you follow. It's
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah, thank you so much, Raksha and Simran. Thanks for having us here.
Vishakha, can you tell us a little about your career journey and how you got to where you are today?
Career journey started a little late. So I was 40 when you start feeling that all the responsibilities and all the people around you are now full of your energy you have given them, you've given them your time. So there is somewhere a void inside you to do something. And I always have a passion for service. And that's how it took me to this profession, because it's very, very satisfying and hard work and a lot of passion towards this. So got me towards psychotherapy, and it has been really, really very rewarding. It really makes you feel content at the end of the day when you can heal people and untangle their thoughts. So that's how now I am accomplished, qualified psychotherapist, counseling people around, working with an NGO and freelancing. So that's it about
It
me.
makes the life so meaningful, na? When you change people's lives and you change the thought, if they're having a negative thought and you convert it into positive. So it feels so good.
Yeah, it's very satisfying.
And Nirzari, I do believe your children are, how old they are?
They are 14 and 15 years. They are teenagers.
Oh, that's beautiful. You don't look like.
Oh, thank you.
So, Nirzari, as you are working mom, and I believe like you are staying with your in-laws, managing family, balancing home, work, children, so many things around. So, and still you're so fit. So that's
thank
so. So, Nirzari, What one piece of advice you would like to give to new working moms?
I would like to tell them to be fit and mentally and physically both, because when you fit mentally and physically, you can work more harder, more, and you enjoy the work.
Oh, that's really true. Until you are not fit from inside and outside, you won't enjoy anything, even if you're having everything around.
So we have a perfect combination here, you know, the one who preaches and the one who implements it.
Oh, that's actually
Very nice. So Vishaka, how do you set boundaries between work and family life? Because I've seen you balancing it so well. So we would really like to know how
I
do you
really
do that?
want to be honest on this one. So it is a very big dilemma what we women face when we are working. So there can never be a perfect balance. You can never set an equilibrium. Sometimes work suffers, sometimes family suffers. And the balance part which we try to create is the problem where we are the ones who are suffering the most. So we have to accept that it's okay.
Not to
It's
be
sometimes,
perfect.
yes, it's okay. It's not that important. And leaving it to me that how do I create a balance? So I try at 1 hour of session which I have with my client that I'm mentally 100% present there. And when I'm at home, I feel that I should be giving as much as quality time I can give to my family. That's all I can do. And if we try to push ourselves too much, we break ourselves as well as we break the people around us.
True, we all the time, you know, want to be perfect. We want to
It's
be a
not-
perfect mother, perfect wife, perfect friend. I don't think anybody
It's
is
not
perfect.
possible.
It's not possible.
And that's actually, Simran, this is what even I do strongly believe. You know, this is all about how we take it. It's all about not how they are giving it to us. It is all about how we are taking it to. So very true.
So I actually
We women, as women, we should stop being so hard on ourselves.
ourselves. True. So what I took away from what you said now, wherever you are, you give 100% to that particular time and those people, wherever you are.
And I just want to touch you on that it's your 100%.
Yeah.
Maybe the other person is not feeling
Yeah, but
your
you
ma-
give your best.
Yes, you give your best.
So that's the best, and you know you feel good about it. That's so good.
fantastic. So Nizri, coming back to you, how do you start your day?
I start early in the morning, 5:30. I have a teenage kids, so they go to school by 7. So before that, I'll finish their work, be with them. You know how much time I get, like how she's saying, it's not giving them 100%, but yeah, how much ever you can give them. Like, so I start with them. Then I'm little bit spiritual, so I start with I'm Jain, so I start with my Bhaktamar mantra in the morning.
That's fantastic. She's a morning person.
Yeah,
Yes.
so I go to bed early. I wake up early in the morning. So with that, then I get ready, and after my kids go to school, I get ready and go to office. And one thing I am sharing with you here, that I have my own business, so time flexibility are there. Right?
Yeah.
So I come back when kids are at home, like, so to spend the time with them because they are teenagers. And once after, like, I can see teen, they'll go out or they'll go somewhere like for the unis. And so I wanted to spend as much as I can spend time with them.
And in fact, I know she's very doting mother and she's very particular about the kids' education part. I believe your elder one is pursuing AI and robotics at a very young age.
Is it?
So
That's
can you
nice.
just explain about all the mothers around here, like about
So
it?
there is a robotic competition going on. Like they teach robotic. It's actually, in a simple word, now life is going more further in that robots. In a small things, how robot works, like even in the kitchen you can say, or outside in the factories and that. So how they work. So she actually basically make from scratch the robot, and she's appearing for a competition in US right now. She's there right now.
Amazing.
So it's a
Congratulations.
thank you.
That's fantastic
So
thing and
good.
so exciting as well.
Yes,
so
exactly.
yes,
That's
It's
the
one show.
future.
that's
the
AI is the
future,
future
actually.
AI
Yeah.
is the future now.
Hopefully, but AI doesn't convert the emotional world.
So Vishaka, what kind of support system do you rely on to make things work?
The support system for my profession, I need professional support system also, as well as family, personal support system. So professionally, we are with, we have to indulge with a lot of fellow professionals so that sometimes there are cases which are very challenging. So to untangle them, more we talk about it, more we are in touch with them. So it helps. So that kind of system is very required because we as therapists sometimes need therapy.
I was just going to ask you
Yes.
because
So all humans. So sometimes you are also in a different zone.
yes.
You zone out. So that is much required for us. And where it comes on personal front, yes, family and being emotionally normal and having that normalcy when your family is giving you that. So that support is also very important.
Because you know, if somebody is coming and talking to you something, obviously it's going to be negative because they want your support. So even you absorb everything.
A lot of negative
lot
energy
of
around.
negative
Yes,
energy.
true.
But one thing is that I've always seen you positive, smiling, and it's commendable, you know.
So that's where our training counts. So that's the difference between empathy and sympathy.
Sympathy, so true.
So Vishaka, have you ever come across a situation where you have really, a meaningful situation where you have made the difference by changing somebody's life? Because I'm sure as a psychologist there must be the cases like I don't want to live more.
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm working with an NGO where first time it's a suicide helpline also. So around 12 o'clock at night, I got a call from local police station and they told me that, madam, you have to speak to him because he was going to commit suicide and we have caught him.
Oh.
So I spoke to him for another 45 minutes and that was my first call for a suicide patient. So when I could deal with that and he was okay, he could understand what I said, I could heal him and as well as I could sleep because it really hovers over your mind.
Good.
So that day I was like feeling very content, very satisfied.
That's where,
So these things happen and it really feels that the world has too much going around and we have to look up at the sky every day and feel blessed.
And gratitude.
So our pain is very less when we look around, right?
Every pain is different but we are blessed.
We are blessed. So how do you unwind your day after, after such a long day? How do you unwind?
Unwind, really you want to know?
Yeah.
So having senseless conversations with your children, doing something which is not normal, I mean like anything, dancing in your pajamas. So these things, you have to come back and you have to feel that it's okay. We are absolutely that kid inside should always be there with you. You don't have to be an adult.
Actually.
You don't have to be an adult all the time. So that's what I do. And reading is my best way. It's very meditative and it takes you in a trance. So yeah, read.
Which type of books do you like to read?
Chacha Chaudhary.
Oh my God. Chacha Chaudhary still
So
exists.
fun.
Oh, yes.
Janta Mama?
Yeah. So
Tinky?
I love to read senseless things.
Oh, that's so
Because
good.
too much knowledge also, your brain fills up too much.
So that is called so nicely that ज्ञानी दोस्त नहीं चाहिए, funny दोस्त चाहिए.
All types of friends are important.
Actually. Another inspiring story, another reminder that women are limitless. And here we are signing off. Thank you so much, beautiful
But
ladies.
before we sign off, we need to know their journey during the Vibrant
Oh,
Year.
exactly. So, Vishaka, what is your experience about the Vibrant journey?
Oh, it was wonderful. We had a lot of fun. It was an amazing year. And
It is a still.
having friends around. And again, being yourself, having fun, doing what you want to. That always makes you feel like.
That's true.
So, Nizri, would you like to share
Yeah.
your experience about
So,
your Vibrant journey? And I
yes.
think she's the first time Rotarian.
This
yes.
is my first year in this JVPT, and it's really fun and making new friends, and all of them are so good. Like they are giving me all positive energies and so good aura. And my best one was in Holi. That was so much fun, I can say. So much fun.
So
good
that
to
comes
see you
out
having
from the
fun.
heart, yes.
So thank you both of you all.
Thank
It
you
was
so
a very
much.
insightful, conversation we had here, and you all both are inspirational because
Thank
one
you.
is preaching and other is practicing. So we really have to learn a lot from both of you all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies.
you.
Thank you, lovely
Thank you.
ladies.